Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a how-to video for mounting up a 35-inch by 12.5-inch spare tire on an F-150. So here's a few reasons why you'd want a matching size, full-size spare. Is if you do any kind of off-roading and you do have a flat, you're going to really want a matching size spare, or you can mess up your drive line having different size tires, especially on the same axle. Another reason is if you want to off-road in any of the national parks like the Outer Banks or Cape Cod, the National Park Service actually requires you have an exact matching size all-terrain spare. So if you've upgraded your tire size but you haven't upgraded your spare tire, they won't even allow you on the beach with your vehicle. You need to have a matching size spare tire. I'd say that got a little dirty on the trails.
Might be best to have your hand on the other side so it doesn't pop out and scratch itself when you do that.
Okay, so we want to put this with the design of the wheel facing up so that this won't damage the face of it while it's hanging. This is going to go right up here, and make sure you clear the heat shield and all that. It should fit up here because the Raptors fit 35s. So let's drop it down into the center of the hub of the wheel, and then we'll just lift it up. We're literally touching the heat shield. Touching the frame a little bit. It is snug up in there. Doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Barely clear the rear hitch. But I don't know, it looks good. I mean, it's not really hanging much below the hitch. I'd say it fits pretty well. I don't think you could fit a 37 down here, but 35. It'll fit. My spare tire isn't the same exact rim, so I have the same offset and everything for my vehicle. Also, I was able to drop a ton of weight by getting rid of that steel spare tire, going with the rotary formed aluminum, much lighter in weight. I've kind of offset the weight of adding that big size spare. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, smash down the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.